This is my Headspace app, and today I'm on 22-day streak. Over the past few years, I've always tried to meditate, to learn to spend this time in mindfulness. And बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मैं रेगुलरली नहीं कर पाता और कई बार बीच में एक आधा ब्रेक आ जाता है. The best I've scored ever is around a 47-day streak, but this time I'm committed to taking this forward. But what has changed that is making me feel confident that I'll be able to do that? जब भी हम कोई नई हैबिट शुरू करते हैं, न्यू ईयर का टाइम है, सबके रेजोल्यूशंस होते हैं, वी ट्राई एंड मेक दोस हैबिट्स टू बिग. वी ट्राई एंड मेक देम, आई विल गेट फिट दिस ईयर, एंड दे आर वेरी वेग. Instead of that, we need to make it more specific. We need to make it more actionable. So the last 3 weeks now, since I'm on day 22, what I've done is that every morning, as soon as I wake up, I find a space to sit and meditate. If I've missed that moment, then my next trigger is, as soon as I've taken a bath, it's time for me to meditate. If I miss that trigger, then my next is, as soon as I wrap up my work for the day around say 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, I spend 20 minutes meditating. If that trigger also gets missed, then the next and the last trigger is, before I go to bed, I need to meditate 20 minutes. And so that's my invitation to you. Find yourself. किसी भी तरह उन हैबिट्स को बिल्ड करने के लिए आप बहुत बड़े गोल्स नहीं करिए. जस्ट सेट द राइट ट्रिगर्स. उठते ही, नहाते ही, काम बंद करते ही, सोने से 20 मिनट पहले. अगर आप ऐसे ट्रिगर सेट कर देंगे जहां पे एक एक्शन जो आपको रोज करना ही करना है, सुबह उठना ही है, मॉर्निंग में नहाना ही है, रात को सोना ही है, जब वो एक्शंस आपके होंगे, उनसे एसोसिएटेड आप हैबिट्स क्रिएट करेंगे, देन विल बी मच इजियर फॉर यू टू बिल्ड दोज हैबिट्स एंड टू कीप देम एंड सस्टेन देम. So since this is the new year, the first meditation of the new year, the first weekend of the new year, I wanted to take us through an intention setting meditation, जिसमें मैं ये कोशिश करूंगा कि हम जो अगले 5, 7 या 10 मिनट होंगे, उसमें एक इंटेंशन सेट करें कि इस साल हमने क्या अचीव करना है, इस साल हमने क्या डिफरेंट करना है, इस साल को हमने कैसे डिफरेंटली अप्रोच करना है. ऐसा नहीं होता कि 31 दिसंबर और 1 जनवरी में कोई एक नया इंसान इमर्ज होता है हमारे अंदर से. दैट्स नॉट एट ऑल ट्रू. द ओनली थिंग दैट चेंजेस इज द डेट. But for the rest of it, we have to work day in and day out. Every single day, every moment, we have to bring our best to life so that we make the life that we really want to live. So what I want you to do is to get into a comfortable position. Have your back supported if you want to. You can lie down. Jaise aapko comfortable hai, you can make that your position for meditation. The spine has to be straight. That is the most important. जैसे स्पाइन में जो न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं, जो हमारा कनेक्टिंग स्पाइनल कॉर्ड होता है फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टू द बॉडी, that pipe has to stay straight while you meditate so that the impact is the most effective. And as you bring your eyes to a close or put them halfway closed, I want you to now start to focus on your breath. Let's start with a few deep breaths where we'll inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. Let's do one more. And one more. Now let the breath return to its normal rhythm. You don't have to force it, you don't have to control it. Just let it happen on its own. When you sit in silence, when you have your eyes closed, there might be thoughts that are coming to your brain right now. Some want to stay, and some might want to move on. As always, you don't have to resist them. You don't have to embrace them. Just be a third party observer to all that's happening within. And observe it all with a smile on your face. You spent some beautiful years on this planet, making decisions, taking choices, trying to build a life that you really want to build. And I applaud you for that. I want you to give a pat on your back for doing so beautifully, making a life that is well lived. But as we begin this new year, there are new dreams, there are new aspirations, there are new thoughts, there are new actions, behaviors that you want to take. In today's meditation, let's set the intention to achieve all of that. I want you to start now visualizing that you're seeing this big, beautiful stone, which right now is very random, it's very erratic, it does not have any specific shape to it. And as you start to focus on that stone, the marble, the granite stone that you're looking at, you see someone chipping away something from that stone. एक कारीगर है, एक आर्ट्स वाला पर्सन है जो उसको धीरे धीरे कट कर रहा है. And they're trying to take out a beautiful idol from that stone. They're hard at work. Slowly and steadily chipping away that excess stone to let that beautiful idol emerge from that piece of stone. As you stay in this visualization, I want you to now imagine that you are that artist who's carving away the excess stone from your own life. आप वो कारीगर हैं, वो मूर्ति बनाने वाले हैं जो अपनी लाइफ का जो एक्सेस स्टोन है उसको हटा के उसके अंदर से उस ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्म को बाहर निकाल रहे हो. It takes effort, it takes love, it takes hard work, and it takes an intention to build that beautiful thing that you're trying to build. I want you to use this meditation as that moment when you set yourself the intentions for this year. I want you to think of a few things, a few habits that you want to inculcate, a few habits that you want to give away. The list can be 1 item, 3, 5, 7, 10. I would highly recommend that you think of only 3 things that you want to build habits around. We're all trying to reach a destination through our life. And it is very important that we enjoy this moment, enjoy this meditation, this relationship, the time that we have, the moments that we have, we enjoy them fully. Because the journey is as important, as beautiful, as rewarding as the destination itself. And these moments of setting intention, they are like your GPS. When you ask Google, how do I reach an XYZ place? In this intention setting, you're asking yourself, how do I reach that XYZ place? I want you to stay with this thought for the next 30 to 45 seconds, and then I'll invite you back into this room. We'll take one last deep breath and then release it with force through our mouth to let go of anything that you feel is non-constructive within us. Let's do it together at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. When we're ready, open your eyes and we can come back to the room. Thank you. It's always a joy to hold this space for you. I hope this was of help, and I hope that you'll spend the next few minutes just staying with yourself and not moving to the next video to write down and to reflect on whatever experience you've gone through just now. And if you think this video was of help, share it with your friends and family. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I think I tell my kids and whoever I meet that if they can learn one thing from me, and I'm not any subject matter expert on this, but that is to truly tell you that meditation has a beautiful impact on your brain, on your heart, on your emotions, on you. And so if you can inculcate this one habit in 2022, then meditation is the way to go. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.